In today's video, we are going to show you how to deposit an expert option using GCash. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open your expert option app on your mobile device. If in case the expert option is not available in your country, don't worry because you can simply go back to the website. You can download the APK or go to the web version. You just have to log in using your credentials. And then once you are logged in, on the dashboard, I want you to go to the deposit section. If this is your first time here in expert option, you will be automatically redirected to the deposit area. Now, keep in mind that if GCash is not available in your area or country, for example, you recently moved to a different location, you can use either a VPN or proxy. Now, choose GCash and then choose your desired amount to deposit. You can also use the drop-down menu if you want to deposit a USD dollars instead. And then hover down below and click the pay the amount that you wanted to deposit and click the continue button. You will be redirected to the payment page. Confirm your GCash payment and enter the verification code if required. After successful payment, go back to expert option and check your account balance. Keep in mind, always double check the payment details before sending money. Basically, that's it for today's video on how to deposit an expert option using GCash. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.